I'm making the absolute craziest fudge I have ever made in my life. I've got Velveeta, butter, and my unsweetened chocolate, and I'm gonna microwave this and let it melt. And I cannot believe I'm actually doing this. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna microwave it some more. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go another 30 seconds. Alright. By the way, guys, save the little container for the Velveeta. This makes a great little organizer for your kitchen. Alright, I got my vanilla. And my powdered sugar. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Now what you want to do is incorporate each addition of powdered sugar first before you add the next, okay? So just do it in, you know, half or 1 cut increments until you get it all mixed in, and then add the next batch. That will prevent lumps in your fudge. Okay, I will tell you, if you have a big KitchenAid mixer, try this recipe with that because it would be a lot easier. It's not horrible, but it just would have been easier. Okay, so now I'm heating my parchment paper. Okay. This is absolutely crazy. I have never done this before, but that's okay. Okay, if you got a few spots of powdered sugar that got missed, just push it back in. Well, it looks like fudge. I don't know, guys. Comment and see if you're willing to make Velveeta fudge. This is probably the craziest recipe I have ever made. Wow. Pretty crazy. Okay. Now, get this all smoothed in. Maybe. Oh, guys, you gotta love me. You gotta love me. All right, now I got it all smoothed in here. We're gonna put this in the fridge and let it sit up for a few hours and see what happens. All right, I got my Velveeta fudge. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. I don't know. My son's here. My son is here, but I don't know if I can get him to taste test. Let's see what he says. Might have to get Mike on this one. Okay. Ooh, man, it looks really delicious. Okay, so let's see, what size pieces do I want? Well, it cuts like fudge. It seems like something that my great-grandmother would make, Grandma Bessie would make. She always, I got her recipe cards and stuff from my grandma and my mom, and she always had all kinds of cool things in there. I would love to just cook through all of her recipe cards she had. Of course, she must have really liked to cook because she was extremely overweight, had diabetes. But yes, back then they didn't know how to deal with it as well as they do now. Although she had all these diets in there that were low carb diets. So guys, low carb diets are nothing new. It's pretty funny actually. I mean, not that she had diabetes, just that there's nothing new under the sun and people think there is. All right. Jack, do you want to taste test Velveeta fudge? You don't have to be on camera. You just want to taste it and see if it tastes like fudge?
Sure.
Here. You want a tiny piece?
Sure.
Okay. I'll take a tiny piece too.
Oh,
there you go.
right.
Okay. What do we think? It tastes like fudge.
Yeah.
Wow. Actually, that's pretty darn too good.
Yeah.
That's really good. Okay, this recipe is a winner. Woohoo!